class 8. Good afternoon to everyone. Okay. Deep, don't send anything in the chat box. Okay. So students, previous day I have solved. In previous day I have solved that. Okay, it is very much reflecting. Wait. So students, previous day I have discussed the exercise 11, exercise 1.1, exercise 1.1, that is question number 1, 2 and 3. Today I will discuss question number 4. That question is related to multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, I have told you that number a by b, multiply a number with a by b such that resultant with 1. Result will get you 1. Clear it is. So obviously if you put here b by a, say b remove, a remove, that is 1. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of a by b, write down in the chat box. Multiplicative inverse of a by b, that is b by a. Okay, that is b by a. Now if it is minus a by b, then multiply a number such that resultant will 1, that is minus b by a, b remove, a remove, minus plus 1, so plus 1. Okay, one thing it is clear, for a positive number, its multiplicative inverse should be positive. For a negative number, multiplicative inverse should be negative. Okay, so a number is given minus x. Oh my god, it is almost not working. Minus x. So minus x, it's what will be the sign of its multiplicative inverse? A number is given minus x. What will be the sign of its multiplicative inverse? That is minus x is given. Quickly answer it. It will be minus. I am asking you the sign only, not the number. It will be minus because negative number multiplicative inverse will be negative. Positive number multiplicative inverse will be positive. So clear it is concept. Multiplicative inverse, the concept is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Concept is clear. Okay, now moving on the sums. Today we solve only question number 4. Okay, so first number, it is given that, wait students, just okay, minus 13, what will be? Okay, almost all of you have answer. Minus 13. So minus 13 means multiply a number such that result will get you 1. So obviously, so it is negative. So its sign will be also negative. Minus 1 by 13. So 13 remove. So minus 13, multiplicative inverse of minus 13, that is minus 1 by 13. Clear it is? I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 2, solve at your home. Part 2, solve at your home. I am asking you the question number 3. 1 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5? Quickly answer it. 1 by 5. Tirthankar, very good, beta. Tawfiq Hossain, very good. Okay, very good. 5 by 1. Onik, Tomojit, Kabo, very good. Sonchari, 5 by 1. Yes, 1 by 5, multiplication inverse is 1 by 5. So it is positive number. So it also be negative. The multiplication inverse also be positive. That is 1 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means 5. Clear it is to everyone? Okay. Next question. Question number. Okay. Minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Minus 5 by 8 minus 3 by 7. Minus 5 by 8 and minus 3 by 7. What is the multiplicative inverse of this number? First of all, just product it. Minus into minus plus 5 into 3, 15, and 8 into 5, 8 into 7, 16. So it is a positive number. So it multiplicative inverse also be positive, and that will be 56 by 15. 56 by 15. Clear it is? Yes. Very good. Next question. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. Not from the book. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? Oh my god, 5 by 2. How can it possible? 2 by 3 is given. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse? Quickly answer it. Tawfiq Hossain, very good beta. Very good. Sonchari, also very good. Deep, very good. So look at the board. It's very easy. Some of them answer 5 by 2. It is not wrong answer. Minus into minus plus 1 into 2. 1 means 1 by 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. So it's a positive number. 2 by 3. It's a positive number 2 by 3. So what will be the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3? That is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Clear it is? Next question. First look at the board, then answer. Don't answer previously. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Multiplicative inverse. First calculate it, then find it multiplicative inverse. 5 by 2. Tawfiq, very good beta. Tomojit, 5 by 2, very good. Minus 5 by 2. Onik wrong. Jothartho right. Kabo right. Deep right. Tirthankar right. Sonchari right. Okay, very good. Well done. All of you have answered. Very good. Well done. Beta. Very good. First of all, minus into minus plus. 1 means 1 is here. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 5, 5. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Okay? 5 by 2. Very good. Okay. Okay. Sir, my hand is okay. Okay, next question from my side. Minus 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Yes, as it is negative, its multiplicative inverse, sign of inverse should be negative, and it will be 1 by 1, that is also minus 1. Okay. So if I asked, okay, next question. Question of minus 1 whole to the power, minus 1 whole to the power 99, minus 1 whole to the power 98 into 1 by 2 to the power 4. 1 by 2 to the power 4. What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? Quickly answer. Again I am dictating minus 1 whole to the power 99, minus 1 whole to the power 98, and 1 by 2 to the power 4. Answer it quickly. What is the multiplicative inverse of this number? Quickly answer. Tawfiq, this time. Okay. Multiple inverse of this number. Find it out quickly. Find it out quickly. Thirteen students are here and few students are answering. Few students are answering. It's very bad. Very bad. No one have given right answer. No one have given right answer. Let us check me. First of all, minus 1 to the power 99, minus 1 to the power odd number. Minus 1 to the power odd number, it will be minus 1 into minus 1 to the power even number, that will be plus 1. 1 by 2 to the power means 16. So minus 1 minus into plus, that 1 by 16 positive. So resultant is minus 1 by 16. Minus 1 by 16, and its multiplicative inverse should be minus 16 by 1. Minus 16 by 1. No one have give right answer. Got it, everyone? Saronna, you have given also wrong answer. 60 minus 16 by 1 is the right answer. Where is Astha? Astha is totally absent. Astha is totally absent. Clear it is? Clear it is to all of you? Saronna, okay. Okay, next question. Minus 1 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 by 3 into 3 by 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 into 5 by 3 into 3 by 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? Quickly answer it. Who answer? Tawfiq Hossain. Very good, beta. Very good. Because all are removed. 2 remove, 5 remove, 3 remove. So answer is 1. So its multiplicative inverse should be minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Okay. Got it? Last question for your class. Last question for today's class. Minus 1 whole to the power 200. Minus 1 whole to the power 200. Minus 1 whole to the power 199. Minus 1 whole to the power 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Again I am repeating the question. Minus 1 whole to the power 200. Minus 1 whole to the power 99. Minus 1 whole to the power 7 plus 2. Plus 2. What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? What is the multiplicative inverse of that number? Quickly answer it. Quickly answer it. That is the last question for today's class. Anyone have answered? Saronna, your answer? Minus 1 whole to the power 200. Tawfiq answer 1. Tawfiq, sir, repeat the question. Okay, because of minus 1 whole to the power 200, minus 1 whole to the power 199, minus 1 whole to the power 7 plus 2. First of all, even number, so it will be plus 1, odd number minus 1, odd number minus 1, plus 2. So plus 1 minus 1 remove, so minus 1 and plus 2, that is plus 1, that is plus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and plus 2, minus 1 and plus 2, that is also plus 1, so inverse will be 1. Clear it is? Okay students, so today I end this class here. I hope all of you get that point and also enjoyed the class of multiplicative inverse. I hope regarding multiplicative inverse you don't have any doubt. Anyone have any doubt? Okay, thank you everyone, bye.